Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically change your video screen ratio in CapCut using the auto reframe feature. So here I have this video that I want to reframe or change the ratio into a portrait size. So what you need to do is just click on the video, and here at the bottom click on this auto reframe, then just select the format that you want. So by using the auto reframe, you can change the video's aspect ratio and make sure that the main object remains in the frame. So here I'm going to use this TikTok format. Just click on this and click on the check icon, and after that you are done. So the auto reframe will be applied, and next what you need to do is just click on the aspect ratio again. Now choose the same format that you select in the auto reframe, just like that. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.